In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly to check and correct punctuation in your writing. Whether you're composing a school paper, drafting a business email, or just jotting down thoughts for a blog, punctuation plays a vital role in conveying your message clearly and effectively. So let's explore how Grammarly can be your ally in refining your writing. To start, open Grammarly. This can be done in several ways: through the browser extension, the desktop application, or by accessing the online editor. Choose whichever method best suits your workflow and load or paste the text you want to check. Grammarly is designed to make this part of your writing process seamless, integrating smoothly into your chosen platform. As you're writing or after you have pasted your text, you'll notice that Grammarly does its job in real time. It underlines possible punctuation issues, along with any other grammar, spelling, or style concerns it detects. This live feedback is incredibly helpful as it keeps you aware of potential mistakes while you work. When you encounter one of these underlines, take a moment to review the suggestion. Simply hover over or click the underline, and Grammarly will present a suggestion card. This card explains the issue in more detail and offers an appropriate fix. It's a chance not just to correct an error, but also to learn and improve your punctuation skills over time. Now, if you agree with Grammarly's recommendation, you can click Accept, and the change will be applied immediately. It's a quick and efficient way to polish your writing. However, if you feel that the suggested punctuation doesn't quite fit your style or voice, you can opt to dismiss the suggestion. Remember, you have the final say in how your text reads. For a comprehensive review, it's worthwhile to let Grammarly scan the entire text. This process highlights grouped issues, and you can specifically filter to focus on punctuation-related suggestions. It's an excellent way to double-check and ensure that no errors slip through the cracks. Once you have applied the changes, take some time to read through your text again. This step is crucial as it ensures that your intended meaning and the flow of your writing are preserved. Grammarly's suggestions are designed to aid in this process, but your insight is key in maintaining the unique voice of your writing. And there you have it, a thorough walk through the steps to use Grammarly for punctuation checking. By integrating this powerful tool into your writing process, you can enhance your clarity, keep your style intact, and leave a lasting impression on your readers with your polished prose. Happy writing, happy